Good morning, Vietnam! Hello everyone! Welcome to our last part of our Vietnam series. Ang agenda natin today is pupunta tayo ngayon umaga dun sa Hanoi Train Street and I am trying to catch up dun sa first schedule which is 8:55 and then mag-8:30 na ngayon. Kanina pala, before ako maligo, kasi kakatapos ko lang, nag-jogging ako kanina dun sa 1 km Lake and sobrang ganda talaga ng view na yun. Like, it felt surreal and super nakakatuwa yung mga tao dito sa Vietnam, especially yung mga seniors kasi sobrang active pa din ng lifestyle nila. If hindi ako nagkakamali, parang most of mga nag-exercise doon is mga senior. Actually, mga nag-zumba sila doon karamihan. And of course, may mga foreigners, well, like me. Ayun, sobrang nakakatuwa lang. May mga nagbabadminton, Zumba, then aerobics, like any other form of active lifestyle. Kaya siguro super ang lalakas ng mga katawan pa nila. Kasi ayun nga, hanggang ngayon they keep practicing this kind of activities. And hopefully in the Philippines also we adapt this kind of activities. So moving forward when we grow up, mas malakas pa yung endurance or yung physical, yung pangangatawan natin or physically fit. Ngayon, magpe-prepare muna ako. Magbubook na ako ng Grab para makapunta na ako dun sa Hanoi Train Street. See you later, guys! We're here, Hanoi Train Street. Oops. Sorry. Hi, may video. Xin chào. I'm currently here, guys, sa Hanoi 1990s, and if you want, ito yung menu nila. Best choice dyan yung salt coffee and egg coffee. And then aside from that, I ordered 5 pieces cheese sticks and then 1 fried sausage. So sabi ni Kuya, 5 more minutes dadaan na yung train. So let's get ready na. Excuse me. Can you check if I am in the in there?
I will. Wait, I will photo and show you.
I'm sorry. Wait, okay, I'll move. Thank you.
Okay. Where are you from?
From the Philippines. What about you?
Indonesia.
Oh, Indonesia. Nice to meet you. Where in Indonesia? Jakarta?
Yeah, Jakarta.
Oh, the capital city.
Yeah. And you?
Well, I'm from a nearby province. So,
Oh.
I'm not from Manila, nearby province.
Oh, I see.
Is it your first time here?
Yeah, in Hanoi, yes. And you?
Yeah, it is my first time. Okay, how does it look now?
Yeah, I think.
Better?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so it is my first time here in Vietnam and I just went in Sapa.
Oh, what's up,
Did you go there also?
Oh, not yet.
But you have that your activity.
Actually, no. I will go to Ninh Bình.
Sorry, what?
Ninh Bình.
I mean, I don't have that in my list. Maybe next time.
Maybe next time.
Because there's a lot of beautiful cities to be visited, right? Well, for Indonesia, I'm looking forward for Bali.
Oh, Bali, of course. Bali is popular for the foreigners.
Yeah, especially for Filipinos.
Oh, actually, this is my second time in Vietnam. Yeah. Before this, I went to Ho Chi Minh City.
Yeah, Ho Chi Minh.
Did you go there?
I haven't been there.
Oh.
Maybe on the second or third time.
Okay.
You should try Sapa.
Oh, Sapa is good.
You know what? I realized that city is so humbling. I mean, it will make you feel grounded for I don't know reason.
Yeah, I want to go to Sapa, but I'm worried that too touristy,
What?
too crowded.
No, it's not. It's so chill in there.
Oh, really?
Actually, my expectation coming from Sapa to here, it's like, I think I will be having a culture shock because it's very calming there.
Oh, really?
Unlike here, there's a lot of tourists in here. You should try that. If
Okay.
if you want me time, you should go there.
Okay. Maybe next time when I visit
Yeah.
Vietnam again, I will go to
What
Sapa.
about Philippines? Have you been?
Oh, not yet.
Okay, you can selfie like this. Okay.
Sorry, what's your name again? What's your name again? Yeah. Sylvia. I'm Ian. Nice to meet you. Ian. Actually, we do have some similarities with our dialect, with our language. Your language is Bahasa, right?
Yeah,
Bahasa
Bahasa.
English.
Yeah, maybe similar words.
Yeah, there are common words.
And I think the shape.
Yeah.
So you often traveling alone? You often solo traveling?
Sorry, what?
You often solo traveling?
Sorry, the train?
No, solo traveling.
Well, this is my first time doing solo travel. It's one of my bucket list. And I think as a person, I'm very independent in the Philippines when I enter in my college days. Yeah. So it felt like from college transitioning to working and then now. So it's not that unfamiliar thing for me, but well, I'm just grateful that I made it and tomorrow I'll be back in the Philippines again. What about you?
Tomorrow you back?
Yeah.
Me, next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday.
I still have 4 days left.
When did you arrive here in Indonesia, in Vietnam? Oh, you have a very long vacation. That's so nice. You're working already. You're working already. Alright, I'll just try my egg coffee. Thank you. Okay, so here's my egg coffee now from Hanoi 1990s. I'm just waiting on my cheese sticks and fried sausage. So, cannot wait na matikman ko and makompare yung lasa niya from the egg coffee of the Note coffee. Yan. And then, earlier, I was talking... Oh, thank you. Okay, here's my cheese and fried sausage. Okay, going back. Kanina, I was talking to an Indonesian friend. So, she is Sylvia from Indonesia. And solo traveler din siya. But, let's try this. Maanghang. Maanghang siya. Ayun, so taga-Indonesia yung friend na meet natin. Pero, Alex Iyala, sinasabi ko sa'yo, huwag kang magpapatalo dyan sa kalaban mo sa tennis. Panalo mo ang Pilipinas sa quarterfinals. Ayun siya yung nasa guide na nakikita niya. This is Sylvia. Here's the cheese sticks now.
Let me have a shake with you.
Okay, thank you so much. So guys, it's 180,000. Fried sausage is 60,000. Cheese sticks is 70. And then yung egg coffee natin is 50,000. Guys, napanood ko lang siya sa vlogs, pero yung tamang paghalo ng egg coffee is paganto siya. Try nga natin kung anong mas masarap. Ito ba or yung sa Note Coffee? Pero dito kasi sa Hanoi 1990s, mas marami siyang foam. Egg foam ba yun? Mas matapang to. Matapang siya. Hindi ako mahilig sa matapang na kape, pero ito okay to ah. Good. This is better. Mas flavorful siya kasi dun sa egg coffee ng The Note Coffee.
Yeah, my English is not good, so can you write here?
Ah, okay. Here.
What's your name? My name is T-U-A-N.
Tuan.
Yes, right. T-U-A-N.
P-U-A-N. Tuan.
Yeah. T-U-A-N.
Tuan.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, I'm with Tuan.
Okay.
Hi, Tuan. So he's one of the staff. Sorry, you're a staff here at Hanoi.
Yeah.
So
I'm
yeah.
staff of Hanonet.
Yeah, the staffs here are very kind and very thoughtful. So, Xin chào. Come on, and you should come here in Hanoi 1990s. Guys, so si Tuan is just 21 years old and also an engineering student. Wow. I just booked a Grab and pabalik ako ngayon dun sa may 1 Lake. Tatry ako mag-look ng protection ng luggage kasi nagasgasan yung maliit ako, sayang naman. So, sana may makita ako kasi may nakita ako kagabi na nagtitinda ng mga luggage. So, baka meron sila mga protector? Cover, ganun. Pero, feeling na ano agad ako, nasasepang agad ako sa Hanoi 1990s. Wow, na-fall agad kay Tuan. Char. Anyway, yun guys. After ko maghanap ng cover ng luggage, pupunta ako sa Banh Mi. No, Buncha. Sa Buncha pala. Kasi magla-lunch. Pero, ewan ko, busog pa kasi ako. And then after nun, later at 1:15 p.m. is yung Hanoi City bus tour. Pero medyo madilim ang langit. Sana wag umulan. Medyo matagal kasi yung pag-uusap namin kayo ni Tuan. Tapos nanong niya ako kanina kung yung English ba daw is parang major language sa atin sa Philippines. Sabi ko, it's our second language next to Tagalog or Filipino in general. So, ayun. Tapos, tinanong niya yung age ko. Tapos, sabi niya, hulaan ko na yung age niya. Sabi ko, 26, 27. Tapos, na-Google Translation. Ang sabi niya pala, nasa ano lang siya, 21. Yung napagkakamalan siya mga nasa teenager, ganyan. Yun, yung mga nagtatrabaho ngayon sa Hanoi 1990s are part-timers. They are still studying sa college. Yun. Tapos, ano pa ba? Ito pa, tinest ko din yung knowledge niya kanina. Tanong ko, bakit tinawag na Hanoi ang Hanoi? Hindi siya familiar, di ba? Sa akin pa natuto yun. Nagmukha pa akong lokal dito kaysa sa kanya. Tapos, ano pa ba? Na lang. Super ano niya kanina. Super willing siya. Like, makipag-communicate. Diba? Tinatry niya talaga yung best niya para ma-express yung gusto niyang sabihin. Sabi niya kasi at the age of 8, natuto na siya mag-English. Pero ngayon, sa Vietnam daw, at the age of 6, nag-start na sila pag-aralan or matutunan yung English. Yan. Yun yung naging usapan namin kanina. So, kuyang naghahanap ngayon ng asin. Pinapabili ng mami.
Filipina.
Yes.
Philippine by Manila son.
Oh, that's why. What's your name?
Flower.
Flower? Oh, hi Flower.
Yeah, hello.
So yeah, I found this to flower store. I'll get one.
Yes.
Okay, grab motor naman tayo. Balik ako ng hotel. Iwan ko lang tong pinabili ni Mami na chili powder. Tapos, punta tayo sa bayan. May kakain ako ng lunch ko dun. And then, after that, punta na ako din sa station kung saan mag-start yung Hanoi City Bus Tour. Buksaan sila dito. Dahil mali ang pinagbabaan ng Kuya Grab, lakad tayo ngayon. Oh my gosh. Akala ko din malapit lang eh. Tapos chinek ko sa mapang layo pa pala. Okay, so haggard. Since nandito na din naman tayo, let's have a quick Airbnb tour. So it goes like this. So ito yung ito yung pwede siyang gamitin ng lahat ng mga nagstay dito. So, unfortunately, we are on 4th floor. Imagine guys, walang elevator and dala ko yung maleta ko dito na 16 kilograms. Crazy, di ba? So, pagpas natin, bungad yung CR. Then may table ko dito. Sabitan, and then yung bed. Yun lang siya, super small lang. Medyo makalat lang guys. Pero okay na din for solo. And actually pwede dito dalawa. Malaki naman yung bed. Ay, nakikita niyo yung kalat ko. Mag-ice lang ako ng konti din. Pupunta na ako dun sa Banh Mi restaurant for my lunch today. Which, nililook forward ko kasi talaga makakain ng banh mi. No, hindi siya banh mi. Buncha pala talaga. Buncha. So, tingnan nyo mamaya kung ano yung buncha. Sana matripan nyo din. Masarap siya. Masarap siya nung napapanood ko. Okay, see you later. Nung nagtututbrush ako, bigla akong na-realize hindi ko pala nagawa yung pagtingin ng cover ng luggage. Sabi ko kanina, di ba? Kaya nga ako papunta sa water puppet show ulit. Nakakaloka. Grabe yung pagiging makalimutin ko. Pero siguro after nung bus tour sa Hanoi, sana maalala ko na mag-check ako ng cover ng luggage. Okay guys, paalala nyo sa akin yun. So for now, I'll go sa Buncha restaurant. And after that, mag-grab na ako papunta dun sa, what do you call that? Basta dun sa pick-up point para dun sa city bus tour. Okay, we're here na sa Bunchata. I'm thinking to order Bunchata full option, so that includes grilled pork, traditional fried spring rolls, tsaka rice noodle. And other than that, I want to try egg chocolate crepe. Is it good? Or let's skip. Pinakabusog na ako dun sa Bunchata. Dami na nun eh. Soft drink na lang. Tsaka isang Coca-Cola. Yan lang siguro. Parang madami na kasi yung order na. Then, 120,000 Vietnamese dong siya. Nag-order na ako. Excuse me. Number 1. And do you have Coke Zero? Yeah, I'll get one. Thank you. Okay, let's check out my lunch. Yung Bunchata, guys. Yan, worth 120,000 Vietnamese dong. Yeah, pinaka-masarap to. I've been looking forward for this Bunchata. Dahil mga-arte tayo, punasan natin yung chopsticks muna. So, yung noodles, rice noodles, lalagay natin siya dito. Para siyang miso, ganun. Para mas makapal to. So, parang na din ako nag-rice natin. Medyo matamis yung beef. Lasang barbecue siya kasi nga binarbecue nga pala to. Yung sabaw niya lasang barbecue. Masarap yung food. Actually, kakatapos ko lang kumain. Ay, ninaantay ko lang yung Grab. Nag-book ako papunta sa Hanoi Opera House. Doon kay claim yung ticket para din sa Hanoi City Bus Tour. So, waiting 2 minutes pa dadating na yung Grab driver. So, that's worth 30,000 dong. Yun talaga yung regular price nila. 32,000-33,000 Vietnamese dong. Abot pa ba ako dun sa 150? Hindi ba ako nangangarag nun? Ang dami no. Ang daming pupuntahan ng stop ng City Buses Tour. Sobrang worth it yun. I think 13 stations. Ang bala ko this time is, since this is my first time, sobrang compress yung time. So, baka hindi na ako bumaba per station. As in, nandun ako sa bus ko ng una. Then, I'll just let the tour guide mag-explain kung ano yung kada station. Siguro kung mapapabalik ako sa Hanoi, which I wish I could go back again. Mas pupuntahan pa natin siya, like magstay doon, like picture. Pero for now, para siyang overview lang nung Hanoi yung mangyayari. Share ko na din pala. Kagabi pala naglakad-lakad ako sa Hanoi. And then, tinry ko yung McDo nila kasi nadaanan namin. Sarap ng chicken nila. Tapos yung fries medyo same lang din siya ng lasa nung sa Philippines. Pero mas feel ko yung alat dito sa Vietnam. Yun, okay naman. Okay naman yung McDo nila dito. Walang rice sa option. Sorry guys, no rice here. Ben, napakainit. Asan yung kuha ng ticket? Wait lang, pero ito na yung bus eh. Ito. So, dead man na ba tayo sa... Ayan, yun, nakita ko na. Dead man na ba tayo sa kulay natin? Okay, laban natin to. Kasi naman umuulan, di ba? So, push! City bus tour sa may Opera House. Okay, so yung kuhanan ng ticket is dito. Tatawid ka lang. Medyo sa may katapat siya na gilid ng Opera House. Ticket sales. City sightseeing. Hanoi. Xin chào.
You have a ticket?
Yeah, buy a cloak.
Okay. 1 people for 4 hours.
Yeah.
The next trip of our bus at 150.
Yeah.
The bus driver.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Ticket for
Thank
1
you.
for 4 hours. Please go into
Okay.
the second one.
This one? Okay. Sorry, do you have a map? Thank you. Cute niya guys. Check niya. Come on. Alright, let's catch up for the bus. Dahil aalis siya exactly 1:15. Wait lang, parang kamukha ni Azzy. Yung lalaki nagbibigay ng ticket, yung boyfriend ni Nika. Beb, kung napapanood mo tong vlog ko, kamukha ni Azzy yung guy. Commercial lang. Oh, xin chào. Yeah, but do you have the...
Map and earphone?
Yeah.
I will give you. Give you.
Thank you.
You want to borrow the hat?
Yes, please. Thank you because it's so hot. Okay, picturean ko lang sila. Okay, 1, 2... Other pose. Other pose. 1, 2... Perfect. Where you came from?
Scotland.
Oh, Scotland. Nice to meet you guys.
Do you want one to interview?
Yes, please. Napakainit eh. Tama ba tong decision natin? Sasuot ko lang tong earphones para meron tayong translator. Saksak ko siya dito sa likod. Okay. Guys, ang init. Sobrang haggard ko for sure after nito. So, how does it work? Okay, sinaksak ko na siya sa likod. Ang init, grabe. Ganito siya, guys. Kada upuan is meron ganito sa likod. So, sinaksak ko lang yung sa akin para mayroon tayong English translator habang ongoing yung bus tour natin. Woo! Xin chào! Xin chào Vietnam! Meron tayong mga nakasabay dito. Tatlo silang mga Scottish. They're from Scotland. Sabi ko, I'm a big fan of Kate Middleton because Kate Middleton is from Scotland in case you don't know. Makayos lang natin ang Hanoi Opera House. This is Sofitel Hanoi and this is one of the most pinakang engranding hotel na dito sa Hanoi, and dyan tumutuloy yung mga executive pag may mga bisita and mga very important person dito sa Hanoi. What you are seeing now is the One Kiem Lake. Before pala, dati siyang kadukso ng Red River. So, it just happened siguro dahil sa movement of the earth crust. Tama ba? Ayun. Nabago yung structure ng Vietnam. So, yung lake na to, humiwalay siya sa Red River. And then, meron siya sa middle na turtle temp. No, it's Turtle Island. So, what you are seeing now is the Mayflower Tower. And then, one interesting facts na tutunin ko is sa Hanoi before, ito talaga yung central of many things like education, sports, and other things. So, halos lahat ng universities of Vietnam is nasa Hanoi, which that's also one of the reason bakit malaki yung population nila ngayon dito sa Hanoi kasi halos nandito na lahat. And that was also the reason kung bakit yung laki as in yung lupa ng Hanoi is na-expand siya kasi malaki yung natutulong niya sa GDP ng Vietnam. Depende kung gusto nyo bumaba or depende kung may gusto sumakay dito sa bus. We just passed by the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. And then trigger, dun itinayo yung Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum because yun daw yung napili ni Ho Chi Minh before na parang i-declare yung independence ng Vietnam. Something like that. That one naman was the Temple of Literature. So that is one of the most prominent and most important infrastructure dito sa Vietnam. And that's also a symbol of Vietnam's education and literature. So sobrang respected tong Temple of Literature. If I'm not mistaken, this is also part of isa sa mga currency nila siya. So ganun siya ka-powerful. Comment or nag-suggest si ate na mag-stop ako dito sa Hanoi Cathedral. So, okay na din yun kasi after 5 minutes na yung bagong bus na dadaan para dun sa next stop. May susundin naman agad. So, yeah. Yung stop pala ng Hanoi Cathedral is dito sa may Hanoi Post Office. Then, after 30 minutes, yung bagong bus naman is nadaan para doon naman tayo sasakay papunta doon sa last station, which I think is the Opera House. But let's see, let's explore sa may Hanoi Cathedral. Guys, huwag na kayong magulat kung madaming motor ha. To be honest, mas madami pang motor dito kasi sa sasakyan. And according to my research, in Vietnam, motorcycle is far more than just a vehicle. This is a fundamental pillar of daily life, culture, and economy. So talagang majority ng mga Vietnamese is meron silang mga motorsiklo. Yan. I think also for convenience, for efficiency, talagang mas sa motor sila. Which is sobrang evident din naman talaga. Ayan na guys. Everything that I have, thanks the Lord. Isa mo yun, pa-background tayo. Welcome to Hanoi Cathedral. Ganda, no? More tourists. Dumaan ako sa isang grocery store. Dumil lang ako ng Meiji. Para siyang Yakult lang siguro. This is worth 15,000 Vietnamese dong. And maaga-aga pa naman. So while waiting dun sa bus, meron akong iniinom. Wala akong mapiling iba eh. So ito na lang yung kinuha ko. Yakult nga siya guys. Same na same yung lasa nila. Sarap. And then, ito ko lang nalaman. Malapit lang pala nung Hanoi Cathedral dito sa One Kiem Lake. So, if ever kung gusto nyo ulit or may plans pa kayo pumunta doon sa Hanoi Cathedral, malapit lang siya sa One Kiem Lake. Nakakaloka naman yung bus, yung city bus tour. Nilampasan lang ako. Okay na yun. Mag-uniqlo na lang ako at napakainit. Napakangin na lang ako doon. Kala nyo, wala kayong karapatan na lampasan ako. Although, of course, Vietnam's Highlands Alright, so for our last, I think this will be our last activity for our Hanoi trip. Siguro mag-night market na ako later pero hindi ko na siya sama sa vlog. But, yeah. Let's see kung anong meron dito sa Ngoc Son Temple. So, yung ticket is 50,000 Vietnamese dong. So, bili muna tayong ticket. Xin chào. One. Come on. Here's our ticket, everyone. 50,000 Vietnamese dong for this temple. Okay, for everyone's reference, yeah, kanya-kanya na lang tayo ng pose for us to get familiarized about the history of Sword Lake Turtle. This is a true turtle Ito yung old turtle na namatay noong 1967 and na-preserve siya. Wow, ang galing. And then, ito naman is also a legit turtle. Namatay siya noong 2016. And through technology, na-preserve siya. Same din sa old turtle. I think 2018 natapos ang pagpapreserve sa kanya. Grabe, ang galing. Dahil solo lang tayo. More orbs. Thank you so much, Hanoi, Vietnam. Thank you so much. I've learned a lot with the history, and I cannot wait to be back to learn more, to learn deeper about the life, the culture, the history, and everything about Hanoi. I think, paano ba? No, iiyak ako. Nalulungkot ako kasi uwi na naman ako bukas ng Pilipinas. That's back to reality. But baon pag-uwi ng Philippines is all everything that Hanoi offered and gave me and allowed me to experience in this city, in this magical place, Hanoi, Vietnam. I can't wait to be back more. So, let's find a place para lang mag-outro tayo. Okay, paano ko ba tatapusin tong video na to? First of all, thank you so much, Lord, for allowing me to experience these things. And thank you for this plan of yours na Vietnam, yung first ever country na ma-visit ko internationally. Sobrang daming learning, self-reflection, and everything in between. And then, sa Sapa and Hanoi, I learned how to be humble, grounded, and then chill, and always rise on the occasion. At the same time, I also learned to be efficient and to be effective as a person. As a city, na-amaze ako, especially for Hanoi, because like what Hab said earlier in the city bus tour, Hanoi was able to expand their horizon kasi talagang nagbo-boom yung business because hindi lang yun dahil sa isang tao, dahil united sila dito sa Vietnam or sa Hanoi. United or unity is something very important dito sa Vietnam, especially when it comes to their four symbols, which are the dragon, tortoise, phoenix, and the unicorn. Yun yung symbolism for their unity that Vietnam is, alam mo yun, parang talagang align sila sa isa't isa, kaya ganito, sobrang progressive nila as a country. And at the same time, nandyan si Sapa to remind them na kahit na they're going there, they're getting there. It is also very important to know and to reflect na hindi laging ganyan. There are times we will win in life and there are times din na matatalo. So parang si Sapa talaga yung nagre-remind sa Vietnam na parang hinahumble niya yung buong Vietnam ganun kasi sobrang low-key lang niya talaga as a city. So ayun, yun yung lahat ng natutunan ko which we can apply to ourselves. And I am really looking forward na sana makabalik pa ako dito sa Vietnam, especially to explore other areas such as Ho Chi Minh, Danang, Ninh Binh, etc. Kasi sobrang dami pang mapupuntahan dito sa Vietnam and hindi enough yung 5 days and 4 nights. Aside from that also, I'm looking forward for other more international trips. So yun is pagtatrabahuhan pa din natin. And yeah, I just want to thank you Lord again for this experience, and thank you everyone kung nakarating kayo dito sa part ng video na to. Thank you, and I wish and I hope and I pray na someday you'll be able to experience these things or you experience better pa. Lahat tayo makakalipad, makakaalis ng Pilipinas ng saglit lang para for vacation. Hindi pa ready like bumalik sa Philippines kasi sobra yung attachment issues ko. Iba na pala. Na-attach na naman kay Tuan. Remember si Tuan yung kanina sa Hanoi 1990s. Yun. Ayun lang. Thank you so much everyone. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa Vietnam series natin. And thank you kung nakarating talaga kayo dito sa last part ng series natin, ng episode 4 of Ian in Vietnam. Yeah, okay. I think that's all for this series. Thank you so much everyone. Come on. Xin chào Vietnam. Bye!